Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon account in 2025 step by step. So first of all, you need to come to your web browser, or if you are using a mobile or other device, you can come to open your web browser app and just search for Amazon uh, and click enter, and after that you can see multiple web links here. You have to click on the amazon.com spend less, and uh, you can just click on here, and as you can see there is the option like click uh, and sign in, and a little option like new customer. You can click on start here and just sign up for your account, or you can also search for Amazon sign up on your browser and click on that, and after that you can see the Amazon registration with link, and you have to just click on that, and you can just click on continue, and after clicking on continue, uh, it says looks like you are new to Amazon. Let's create an account using your email. You have to just click on proceed, and you just have to enter your email or mobile number here and your first name here, and after that you have to select a password and re-enter your password here, and you just click to verify email, and after verifying email you're good to go. You are on your Amazon account. You might need to also provide your phone number to sign up, and that's how you can create an Amazon account in 2025. And hope this video helped you, and see you on the next one.